but I'll be on it always, always and ever.
What do you guys? It's your girl right here, back with another video, and today I'm gonna do this like heatless overnight curl thing because your girl is tired. I'm tired of curling my hair 3 to 4 days and re-curling it. I don't want to do that. So I know flexi rout's a thing. I might try that after. Experiment with my sewing here. So right here's my leave out, boom, and the rest is the extension. I got this like, I went to Umbrella to Co Factory and I was just browsing and I was like, ooh, this gave me an idea for a video. So I got this like, what's this called? Heatless curling rod thing. And it comes with like the clip and the scrunchies and stuff. Let me put it on top of your head. Yeah, I see a lot of people doing this. So I was like, let me hop on a bandwagon here and do something that's gonna be simple. Hopefully simple. Hopefully this turns out good. This is me and yours first time trying this together. We're gonna try this out together, girls. We're gonna try this out together. Leave out. I'm gonna put some of this styling cream and then first let me put this back because I don't want to wet this because my hair will be very much curly, very much giving 2 different textures of hair. So I'm gonna wet this a little bit, not drenching wet, but wet it. Here we go. Brush that out. Oh, is this my hair? Oh God, did I wet my hair? I wet my hair. I'm gonna just wet that and I'm gonna wet it. I don't know if I should do one section. I think I'm gonna do one section at a time. So I'm gonna wet this, not too much. Right, and then I'm gonna put some of this curling foaming mousse on here. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Let's split this, my hair is loose. And take some of this styling cream. And just put that on my leave out. Because I really don't want my hair to get wet per se. But like, I want it to do what it has to do, you know what I'm saying? So that's that side. So I'm gonna work in sections. So I'm gonna do this. Okay. That not even? Alright, is it even now? Yeah, kinda. Let me. Alright, that should be even. Okay, cool. Get closer to you guys. So I'm gonna take my leave out, a little piece of my leave out, and then wrap it under. And I heard that you want it tight to the rod. Why is it? I can't do that. I don't know if I should be taking smaller sections. Okay, one side down. Okay. Now I'm just gonna take my leave out because I don't want to get that wet. So I'm just going to do the same thing for this section. Just put this out the way for a second. Wet it. forgetting I got leave out right here. And I don't want to, see what I mean? I don't want to get that wet. You stay up there. You stay right here. Leave out. I want you getting wet. Some foaming mousse. You know what? I can never be cute. I can never be cute. All right. Now I'm gonna take my leave out with the styling cream, just a little bit. Now you can stay right here. You can stay right here. And I'm gonna do the same to this side. Hopefully this side be easier than this side. This side was a little struggle, but it's okay. This side is much easier. I don't understand why, but it is. Why I just want to be lazy and just grab this whole piece. Let me not be lazy. Let me do it the right way. Let me do it little piece by little piece. And then put this on. Okay. Alright, not too shabby now. I look like a little house on the prairie. I'm gonna leave this on for, I'm gonna take this out. I think I can take this out, right? I can take this out? Alright, now that I look like this, I'm gonna come back tomorrow and show you guys the final look and see if it can. So if this works for me, that'll be a win-win. If it doesn't, I'm gonna take the L. I'm gonna take the L, but we're gonna try again. Yeah, I'm just leave it like this, right? And put my bonnet on. And I'm gonna stay like this. And I'll see y'all tomorrow. So it's the next day and I'm ready to take out these to see how it looks. So let's take off this bonnet. Let's see what I'm working with. Okay, it looks like this because I sleep wild and crazy, but like, let's get into it. Okay. All right. I feel like these curls are bouncy. Let me just fix it. Oh. Let's take some OGX coconut milk serum here. And I'm gonna break my hands through it. First, I'm just lay this down real quick. And then I'm gonna just finger. I gotta brush the top of my head. Hey, yo, yeah. All right, that looks really cute. You can't tell me nothing now. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next video.